Hey everyone, welcome back to Zimist Coded. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to save a Microsoft Word document as a PDF, but not just any PDF. We're talking about a PDF with clickable bookmarks that let you instantly jump to different sections of your document. This is super useful when you're working with longer documents like reports, manuals, or academic papers, where navigation is key. So here's the document I'll be using. It's already formatted using styles. And that's important. Some headings are set as heading 1, others as heading 2, and so on. This structure is what allows Word to generate proper bookmarks in the PDF. If your document doesn't use heading styles, the bookmarks simply won't work. Now let's go through the steps to save this file as a PDF with bookmarks. First, go to the File tab, then click on Export. From there, choose Create PDF XPS Document, and click the button that says Create PDF XPS. Now a save window will pop up. You can choose the location where you want to save your PDF file and give it a name. But before you click Publish, there's one very important step. Click on the Options button in the Save window. In the Options window, look for the setting that says Create Bookmarks Using. Make sure you check the box that says Headings. This tells Word to use your document's heading styles to create PDF bookmarks. Once that's done, click OK. And then go ahead and click Publish to save the PDF. When you open your new PDF, you'll notice a Bookmarks panel on the side. It lists all your headings as clickable links. You can now jump to any part of your document with just one click. This is a fantastic feature if you're sharing a document with others and want to make navigation easy and professional. And that's it for today's tutorial. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if it worked for you or if you have any questions. And if you haven't already, subscribe to Zimist Coded and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a simple, powerful tip like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.